എല്ലാവർക്കും റോഷ്രോൺ റോക്സിന്റെ സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണാശംസകൾ. On this festive occasion, I am going to play and explain the notes of the song Thiruvavani Ravu. So let's begin. To play this beautiful song, let's divide it into two parts. The first part, right hand, we need the notes C, D, F, G and A. For starting it off, let's play the D note once and move to the F note. Then we play the F note again and come back to the D. We repeat that 3 times. Then from the F note, we move to the G note. Play the G again and go to A. Till there. Then we go to the C note and play the same rhythm with the C and D. Now from the D note, move to F, and from the F, come back to D and play C. Like that. So the whole first part will be right hand is complete. Let's go to the left hand. Left hand only 3 notes, that is the F note, the B flat note and the C note. When we start the song, we play the F note. And when we continue this, continue the F note. Like that. When we start the C and the D rhythm, play the B flat note. And then when we go to the F, play C note. The whole first part. So the first part is complete. Let's go to the second part. Second part, right hand, starts with the G note. From the G, we go to C and the B flat. Like that. Then we play the B flat 3 times. Come to A and play G. that. Then we go to the F and play ascending till A. And then descending till D. Then we start with the C note twice. Play the D. We skip the E, go to F and play it twice. Like that. Then we play the G, C and B flat like we played in the starting. But this time we go to the A note and then play it left. And again. Like that. So the right hand is complete. The left hand needs 4 notes. The F note, the B flat note, the C note and the D note. When we start the song, we start it with the F note. Then we go to the D note. After that, we go to the B flat. And lastly, the C note. The whole second part. The first and second part is complete. If you repeat the first and the second part twice or thrice, the song will become amazing. Everybody will love to hear it. I hope you liked this video and understood how to play this song. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you and bye-bye.